Hey there, fellow home enthusiasts. There's nothing quite like the feeling of a clean and inviting home. And you know what plays a big role in that? Our floors. They literally lay the groundwork for our living spaces. Whether you've got gleaming hardwood, sleek tile, practical laminate, or plush carpet, each type of flooring has its own personality and needs. Think of this guide as your trusty toolkit for navigating the world of floor care. We'll walk through each floor type, step by step, uncovering the best ways to keep them looking their best. We'll tackle everything from everyday cleaning to those occasional deep cleans that bring back that fresh, new floor feeling. Ready to transform your floors from forgotten surfaces to shining stars? Let's dive in! Hardwood floors bring warmth and character to a home like no other. They're durable, long-lasting, and oh so stylish. But to keep them looking their best, they need a little TLC. Start with regular sweeping or dust mopping. This removes dust and debris before it can scratch the surface. For deeper cleaning, vacuuming with a hardwood floor attachment is key. Avoid using a beater bar as it can dent the wood. When it comes to mopping, less is more. Hardwood and excess water don't mix. Use a damp, not soaking wet mop, and a cleaner specifically designed for hardwood floors. After mopping, be sure to dry the floor thoroughly to prevent water damage. A microfiber cloth works wonders for this. Tile floors are a dream come true for their durability and easy maintenance. They offer a timeless elegance that can elevate the look of any room, from the kitchen to the bathroom and even living areas. Their sleek, polished surface not only looks stunning, but also provides a practical solution for busy households. They're resistant to stains, scratches, and moisture, making them perfect for high-traffic areas like kitchens and bathrooms. This resilience means that even with the hustle and bustle of daily life, your tile floors will continue to look as good as new. Whether it's the splashes from cooking or the steam from a hot shower, tiles can handle it all without losing their charm. Regular sweeping or vacuuming is your first line of defense against dirt and grime. By removing loose debris, you prevent it from being ground into the tiles and grout, which can cause wear over time. Make it a habit to sweep or vacuum at least once a week, or more often in high-traffic areas, to keep your floors looking pristine. For mopping, a mild, all-purpose cleaner diluted in water usually does the trick. This simple solution is effective at lifting dirt and grime without leaving a residue. Be sure to wring out your mop well to avoid excess water, which can seep into the grout and cause issues over time. A damp mop is all you need to keep your tiles gleaming, but be sure to choose a pH-neutral cleaner to avoid damaging the grout. Harsh chemicals can erode the grout, leading to cracks and gaps where dirt can accumulate. A pH-neutral cleaner is gentle yet effective, ensuring that your grout remains intact and your tiles stay securely in place. Speaking of grout, it's the porous hero that holds those tiles together. Grout fills the spaces between tiles, providing stability and preventing water from seeping underneath. However, its porous nature means it can easily absorb dirt and stains, which can make it look dingy over time. But it can also be a magnet for dirt and grime. Over time, spills, splashes, and everyday foot traffic can leave your grout looking less than its best. Regular cleaning is essential to keep it looking fresh and to prevent the buildup of mold and mildew, which can be harmful to your health. To keep it looking its best, make a paste of baking soda and water. This natural cleaning solution is both effective and eco-friendly, making it a great choice for maintaining your home. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that can lift stains without scratching the surface of your tiles or grout. Apply it to the grout lines and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing gently with a brush. Use a small, stiff bristled brush to work the paste into the grout, focusing on any particularly dirty areas. The baking soda will help to break down the dirt, making it easier to remove. Rinse well and admire your sparkling clean tile floor. After scrubbing, be sure to rinse the area thoroughly with clean water to remove any remaining baking soda residue. Dry the floor with a clean towel or allow it to air dry. With regular care and maintenance, your tile floors will continue to shine and impress for years to come. Section 4. Laminate Love, Effortless Elegance, Easily Maintained. Laminate flooring offers the look of hardwood or tile at a fraction of the cost. It's a versatile option that can fit into any room of your home, from the living room to the kitchen and even the bedroom. The variety of designs available means you can find the perfect match for your decor, whether you prefer a classic, rustic, or modern aesthetic. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to care for. Unlike other flooring options that require special treatments or expensive cleaning products, laminate flooring is designed with convenience in mind. Its surface is resistant to stains and scratches, making it a practical choice for busy households with kids and pets. Like hardwood and tile, regular sweeping or vacuuming is essential for removing dust and debris. This simple routine helps maintain the floor's appearance and prevents dirt from becoming embedded in the surface. A quick sweep or vacuum every few days is usually enough to keep your laminate floors looking fresh and clean. When it comes to mopping, laminate prefers a light touch. Overwetting the floor can cause damage, so it's important to use a damp mop rather than a soaking wet one. This gentle approach ensures that the floor remains in good condition without risking water damage. Use a damp mop and a laminate-specific cleaner or a mild all-purpose cleaner diluted in water. These cleaners are formulated to be gentle on the laminate while effectively removing dirt and grime. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure you're using the right amount of cleaner and water. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or scouring pads, as these can damage the laminate's protective layer. The protective layer is what gives laminate its durability and resistance to wear and tear, so it's crucial to treat it with care. Stick to soft cloths and gentle cleaning tools to keep your floors in top shape. And remember, water is laminate's kryptonite. Excessive moisture can cause the laminate to swell and warp, leading to unsightly damage that can be difficult to repair. It's important to be mindful of this, especially in areas prone to spills or high humidity. Wipe up spills immediately to prevent water from seeping into the seams and causing damage. Keeping a clean cloth or paper towel handy can make it easy to address spills as soon as they happen. Quick action can save your floor from potential long-term damage. With a little love and care, your laminate floors will stay looking their best for years to come. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to spills will ensure that your floors remain a beautiful and functional part of your home. Embrace the effortless elegance of laminate flooring and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with easy maintenance. Section 5. Carpet comfort, keeping your cozy haven clean. Carpet. It's soft, it's cozy, and it makes a house feel like a home. There's nothing quite like the feeling of sinking your toes into a plush carpet after a long day. It adds warmth and comfort to any room, making it a favorite choice for many homeowners. But all that comfort comes with a responsibility: regular cleaning. Carpets can harbor dust, dirt, and allergens, which can affect the air quality in your home. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your carpet looking and feeling fresh. Vacuuming is your best friend when it comes to carpet care. It's the most effective way to remove surface dirt and prevent it from settling deep into the fibers. Aim to vacuum high-traffic areas at least once a week, such as hallways, living rooms, and entryways. These areas tend to accumulate more dirt and debris due to constant foot traffic. And don't forget the less frequented areas. Vacuum the entire carpet at least every other week to ensure a thorough clean. This helps in maintaining the overall appearance and longevity of your carpet. Use a vacuum with a rotating brush to agitate the carpet fibers and loosen dirt. This type of vacuum is particularly effective at lifting pet hair and other stubborn debris. For deeper cleaning, consider renting a carpet cleaner or hiring a professional carpet cleaning service once or twice a year. These machines use hot water extraction to remove deep-set dirt and grime that regular vacuuming can't reach. This will remove deep-set dirt and grime and freshen up the carpet fibers. A professional clean can make your carpet look almost new again, extending its life and keeping it looking its best. And remember, accidents happen. Treat spills and stains immediately to prevent them from setting into the fibers. The longer a spill sits, the harder it will be to remove. Blot, don't rub, the stain with a clean cloth. Rubbing can push the stain deeper into the fibers and spread it around. Use a carpet stain remover according to the manufacturer's instructions. Different stains require different treatments, so it's important to follow the guidelines to avoid damaging your carpet. For example, a wine stain might need a different approach than a coffee stain. Always test the stain remover on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't discolor or damage the carpet. Another tip for maintaining your carpet is to occasionally rearrange your furniture. This helps prevent indentations from forming in the carpet fibers. If you notice any indentations, you can fluff them up by gently rubbing the area with your fingers or using a fork to lift the fibers. Encourage family members and guests to remove their shoes before walking on the carpet. This simple habit can significantly reduce the amount of dirt and debris that gets tracked onto your carpet, keeping it cleaner for longer. Placing doormats at all entrances can also help trap dirt and moisture before it reaches your carpet. Make sure to clean the doormats regularly to keep them effective. To keep your carpet smelling fresh, consider using a carpet deodorizer. Sprinkle it on the carpet, let it sit for a few minutes, and then vacuum it up. This can help neutralize odors and leave your carpet smelling clean and fresh. If you have pets, regular grooming can help reduce the amount of pet hair and dander that ends up on your carpet. Brush your pets frequently and consider using a pet-specific vacuum attachment to effectively remove pet hair from the carpet. Finally, regularly inspect your carpet for any signs of damage or wear. Addressing small issues promptly can prevent them from becoming bigger problems. For example, if you notice a small tear, you can repair it with a carpet patch kit to prevent it from spreading. By following these tips, you can keep your carpet looking beautiful and feeling cozy for years to come. A well-maintained carpet not only enhances the appearance of your home, but also contributes to a healthier living environment. So take the time to care for your carpet and enjoy the comfort and warmth it brings to your cozy haven.